Alright YouTube, it's your boy 392 Quan back with another video. So today I finally did a mod. I finally got the mod done to the car. So as y'all can tell by the title, y'all know what I have ready. So basically I went with the Borla Atak exhaust system. I didn't do the full system, I did just the muffler, but I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all check it out and let y'all see how it sounds. Alright, so why I went with the Borla, why I didn't go Corsa and all the other stuff, I'm gonna get into that right now. First of all, I'm gonna say this. So when I went to the shop, the guy was like, man, you sure you don't want to do a mid-muffler delete? And I'm like, nah, I don't want no mid-muffler delete. I said I want, you know, an exhaust system. He was like, but he said, I tell you what I'm gonna do. He said, I want you to hit the mid-muffler delete, and then I want you to hit a Borla. So what he did was, he cut the pipes, and after he cut the pipes, he was like, this is how it sound without the muffler, which is mid-muffler delete, right? Which I kind of know how it sound already, because most people that got 392s and stuff have a mid-muffler delete. So then after that, he put the muffler on. He just stuck, he didn't weld it on or nothing, he just put it on. And I heard the difference between a mid-muffler delete and a Borla Atak. And honestly, it's not that much difference. It really isn't. It's a little louder than a mid-muffler delete, I can say that. But overall, it's not that much difference. Now the difference between the mid-muffler and the Borla is, it's a little louder, but it's not how to explain it, it's not as raspy, you know, like, you know how mid-muffler is like all loud and just raspy and stuff. Is like, you know, the Borla is more put together, it's more mature, it's a smoother sound, you know, it's just more intact. So that's pretty much the difference between the Borla Atak system and the mid-muffler delete, you know. Now I could have went Corsa, but honestly I was like, man, the course was like an extra $300. Like so the Borla exhaust was like $1,000, and then cause there was like $450 a piece, so I had to get 2 mufflers. And the Corsa was like, I forgot, but the Corsa came out to like $1,400. I'm like, nah, ain't no way I'm paying that much money for no exhaust system. But the Corsa do sound good, cause I heard a few people cars 392s with the Corsa. Now I never heard nobody. Now one of the guys I heard, I'm gonna go make a video with him pretty soon. Once he get his system together, he's gonna do a he's doing his headers and everything. So he got the Corsa already, just the muffler, but he got all the parts for it. He just haven't had time to put it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that out. But overall, the Borla Atak is not that bad. I mean, of course, you know, it's still got a break in and stuff like that, but I don't know, man. For some reason, I feel like in regular mode, it's louder. Like this is regular mode, but for some reason, I feel like it's louder in regular mode versus track mode. So I'm gonna let y'all hear the difference. All right, I just put it in track mode. Let y'all hear. Like I don't know, bro. I just. Like track mode, you know, the exhaust open, so of course it's like deeper sound. But in regular mode, it's like more high pitch. But in track is more deep. So that's track, and then we'll go regular. I'm gonna put it back in regular mode. See, like it's a little high pitch at the end. I don't know if y'all can hear the difference. It might be hard to tell in the video, but it's definitely a difference with the exhaust. But overall, man, I'm gonna say the people at the exhaust shop did a very good job, man. They, you know what I'm saying, they not too many exhaust shops go, you know, convince you to go mid-muffler like he was like, bro, like just hear the difference. Like it's really that much difference. Like you spend all this money, but it ain't that much difference. But at the end of the day, yeah, it may not be that much difference, but having an exhaust is better for your car than not having. I mean, having a muffler and back pressure is better for your engine than not having muffler and just your resonators. Now, in the future, I do plan to change my resonators. I want to go. I think it's called DynoJet resonators. I'm gonna get that done, and then I'm gonna also get the. I forgot what I was going to say. I was having a brain for it. Yeah, I'm going to go Dynamat. Then after that, I'm going to do cool air intake, and that's just to list a few of the mods that I have coming out. So I have that, and I'm also not going to do too much to this car. I'm going to keep it pretty much factoring. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to, because the thing is, man, everybody and their mama have damn near. I'm not gonna say everybody, but most people have a 392 Charger. So everybody was everything to it. So it's like, how do I be different from everybody else, you know?